the heart of the wild, there exists a creature of unparalleled power and majesty, a symbol of courage, strength, and unwavering determination. The lion. We often look to the animal kingdom for inspiration, but there is no greater example of raw, untamed motivation than the king of beasts. The lion embodies the very essence of what it means to pursue your goals with relentless ferocity. What can we learn from the lion? What primal instincts drive this magnificent creature? And how can we apply them to our own lives? Vision. The lion possesses an unshakable awareness of its domain. It knows its territory, its resources, and its objectives. In life, you must have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Define your goals, map out your path, and never lose sight of the summit you strive to reach. Focus. When a lion sets its sights on its prey, it is a picture of unwavering focus. Every muscle is taut. Every sense is heightened. Distractions fade away. In a world of constant noise, cultivate that same laser-like focus. Eliminate distractions. Prioritize your tasks, and channel all your energy into the present moment. Action. The lion doesn't wait for opportunity. It creates it. It doesn't hesitate. It pounces. Success favors the bold. Don't let fear paralyze you. Take decisive action. Even when the odds seem stacked against you, embrace the challenge and let your actions speak louder than your doubts. Confidence. The lion exudes an aura of confidence. It knows its worth, its power, and its place in the world. Believe in yourself. Trust your instincts. Cultivate a mindset of unwavering self-belief. When you radiate confidence, the world responds. Teamwork. While the lion is a formidable individual, it also understands the power of the pride. Lions work together, supporting each other, protecting their own. Surround yourself with a pride of your own, a network of supportive individuals who believe in you, challenge you, and inspire you to be your best. Resilience. The lion is no stranger to adversity. It faces down rivals, endures harsh conditions, and protects its pride with unwavering courage. Life will throw challenges your way. Embrace them, learn from them, and emerge stronger, more resilient, and more determined than before. The spirit of the lion lives within each of us. It is the primal force that drives us to conquer our fears, overcome our obstacles, and achieve our greatest triumphs. So unleash your inner lion. Embrace the courage, the strength, the determination that lies within you. Go forth and conquer. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. And don't forget to leave a comment. I see you from the next video. Thanks for watching.